Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this GUPUP LED light for TV 65 to 75 inch. This is special made for LED backlights. It's 15 feet LED TV lights, USB LED strip lights with the remote. You could also control by an app. And you can also use this for your bedroom. It connects to your Bluetooth music sync, HD TV mood lighting, or gaming room decor. And then the second one is GUPUP 100 feet LED strip lights, Bluetooth LED lights for bedroom, color changing light strip with the music sync, smartphone app control, and then IR remote. So yeah, I'd like to give a shout out to Sunny from their marketing team for sending me this. So be sure to check out the link that is going to show you within the description. So you can check out both of the items out. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. So here's the product description. Smart TV LED lights. Come with a USB power, RGB, and then app control. So it has a built-in sensitive microphone, so you can sync with your music. And it is made in China. So it comes with a remote. Be sure to pull out this tab so the battery can have a contact so you can work with the light strip. And here's the user instruction. So yeah, you need to clean the back of your TV and then peel out the double-sided sticker on the strip and then stick it on. And you will need to connect the USB to your TV as a power source and then turn it on. And this is the app control right here. There's a QR code. So you connect the USB Type A to your TV. So there's an error right here. Well, let me test it out. So in case your TV doesn't have a USB as a power source, you can use any other power bank. So yeah, this will give you like a nice accents during the nighttime or your TV or your bedroom or game room. It's a different mode. Also the bottom row is the music. So as you can see, when I'm talking to the mic, it's gonna pick up brighter. And this is the other music sync or microphone sync. Testing 1 2 3 test test test. Testing 1 2 3 test test test. So this, as you can see, it light up a different pattern. And you could also adjust the brightness right here. Okay. And you could also download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Let's go ahead and check out the second item. And here's the product description. I'm not sure why this thing is already open. I don't see any remote or anything. It's in the back. So yeah, I'm not sure if they use the same power source or they expect me to use the same plug. I'll need to talk to the vendor and see what's going on with this one. So I don't think I have any good luck with the strip kind. Last time I unboxed the other one for a different company, and then it was missing the infrared. So yeah, we're gonna install this on the TV and then show you guys. So good thing about this strip, it comes with a corner, so you can bend it. See right here? Another section right here that you can bend the corner. And be sure to peel out the double-sided tape. Alright, well, we're gonna install the LED light strip on the back of this 75-inch TV. Now you gotta go to the back. And make sure you locate the USB. That's a power source right there. And you're gonna make sure you clean the backing of your TV, and then tape it. Just connect the strip light right here. And I'm gonna turn on the TV so the LED will come on. Here's my remote. I'll turn it on. So as you can see, once I turn it on, the LED comes on already. Okay, so there's backing right here. You need to peel it off. And after that, it's very sticky. So you gotta be sure you're ready to put it on the back of your TV. As you can see, this is the backing, and I tape it already. So you just need to reroute this wire, make it look nice. I'm gonna use double-sided tape to tape this infrared receiver back to the TV like this. Okay, so it looks nicer instead of hanging like that. As you can see, the back is nicely done. Okay, and then that's how you wrap around the corner, going down. And if you don't need this bottom strip, you could just chop it off. But I'm trying to manage to see if I can stick on the bottom because I got this bracket. Alright, so I put the bottom strip as well. Okay, kind of wrap around this bracket. Let's test it out. Alright, so this is what's it look like. So during daytime, you can't really see much. So we're gonna have to come back and then take a look at nighttime. Well, I kind of can see a little bit. Let me try to change the light. Ooh. Blue, white, purple, and this is a different pattern. Second pattern, third, fourth, And this is microphone number 1 or music sync. This is number 2, number 3 music sync, and then number 4 music sync. Okay. Well, there you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any in the comments down below. And be sure to check out the link that's going to show you in the description. And I'll see you guys on the next video like always. Peace.